Wala. Ay, nako. Suko na si sir. Is there? So, kagahapon, wala giabot ang upat or ang 5. But then today, it says it delivered just 7 minutes ago. Wala sa mo ang porch. Ay, nako, binuang baka ayo. Uy, tarong-tarungan tanan ninyo kay ako ang ginanggi. I think they probably put it in another door or different. Ay, nako, kasayang makaayo. Tulo na nawala. Tapos karon 5. Ay, nako, sao na lang, Madam Sir. Ako ara bagid tungkuan. Ay, nako, sao na lang. Ay, ayun na si Dad. Naglibot-libot siya sa silingan. Kaya para dapat lagi unta sad. Uy, kanang kung dili para nimo. Naalam? What the heck? How they can say na it's arrived and we are here, tapos wala di ay package sa gawas. Ay, binuang na niya. Di na niya siya maayo. 5 pag yun. Huwag nyo gilang-alang ha. Careful na ako karon mag ano. Maybe we should really have a...
No, it's delivered to access point. UPS access point. What's that supposed to mean? Oh, that's the ones that came to. Remember the thing?
I
We were
know.
remember the picture? You got it. I gave you the recibo. USPS, and we're supposed to go pick it up. We never did.
Then why is it's delivered?
We said we'll do that.
They put it back there?
I guess so.
Then what happened to the 3
That
computers?
one's missing.
Oh my God. Maybe it's also there. Maybe you should have a PO box, babe. It's more safety.
Nah, you gonna pay for that?
That's another to pay man good na amo pa siyang amo ang gi-cancel kay para every little things, guys, kada bitong mga knickknacks amo ang gi-cancel kay para maka Chromebook ta para kay Madam Sir. That's why di na gani ko gapang tawas, di na ko pang para ako na lang i-PIF cause grabe kay ka. Ay nako, so di ko magpanic pero anugon gid siya. Pero the good thing about here is kung mag-refund sila dire, pero ay nako, magulat na pud ko mga 2, 3 days, 5 days ay nako. Anyway, kay dagan akong box, guys, oh. Kana sa nanan mga items. Ang kulang na lang ana is mga computer. So yes, ganam anam kog palit kay para kani siya tanan